Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to charge your PlayStation 4 controller from the front USB slots on your PS4. So to enable this feature, on the home screen here, let's go up to the top, select Settings, then scroll on down to the bottom until we get to Power Saving Settings right here. Then go to Set Features Available in Rest Mode. And make sure this option is selected right here. It says Supply Power to the USB ports. Controllers can be charged while in rest mode if you selected 3 hours. Power will be supplied to the USB ports for only 3 hours after entering the rest mode. After 3 hours, the system will lower its power consumption to save energy. So we have options as always, 3 hours, or off. So choose one. Now what we want to do is go on over to rest mode by holding down the PlayStation button. Go on over to power and then go to enter rest mode. And then plug in your controller and you will see it should be turning orange now, indicating it's charging. So let's plug in my controller and you can see the orange light is slowly flashing. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.